It's 2026, and you still don't have a filter in your fridge. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Your fridge does one job. It keeps things cold. That's it. It doesn't clean the air inside. It doesn't filter out bacteria, mold spores, or the gases your food releases every single day. It just traps them in. That's why berries grow mold overnight, why fruit goes soft in days, why perfectly good food spoils faster than it should. Your fridge was never designed to clean the air inside it, and that's exactly why it needs a filter. This is the Fruit Hero Fridge Filter. Place it inside your fridge and it gets to work immediately, absorbing the gases that make fruit ripen and spoil faster, and reducing what we call rot mist, the invisible mix of mold and bacteria floating around your food right now. Food stays fresher longer, less mold, less waste, and you stop throwing good money in the bin. And if you don't notice a difference, we'll give you your money back. Simple as that. Every fridge keeps things cold, but only one thing cleans the air inside it. Get the Fruit Hero Fridge Filter today and give your fridge the filter it's always been missing.